Hi everyone, this video is a collaboration with Christina from the DIYmommy.com, and every year she puts out a DIY and decor challenge. In this case it is for spring, and we are to either do something ourselves or give a small tour of an area in our home that is decorated for the season. In this case I decided to give you a tour of my mantle. So let me go ahead and get started. There's a few things that I've DIY'd myself, and I'll let you know if there's a video out there that I can share with you. Like for example, this back frame, which is kind of like a trailing moss frame that I did for yesterday's video that I collaborated with Hillary from Old World Home for the $5 Goodwill challenge. And I'll try to link that down below. This right here is a terracotta pot with a olive tree or olive tree branches that was inspired by Keri Murphy here on YouTube, and I loved hers, so I went ahead and did mine. Not exactly the same, hers is a lot prettier, but I tried my best to make it look like hers. I'll try to go ahead and link the video down below. And on this side table is, or this area right here, actually it's a small bench, and I got it in Amazon, and I do have to paint it because I do not like that color, but I have a few items that I've thrifted, like the baskets and the candle holder, and I have a wreath as well. That's about the only color you'll see around here. I like neutrals. I like to stick with earthy tones. So here's another small tree, or small olive tree. This is another terracotta pot. All the terracotta pots that I have here are from Hobby Lobby. For this tree I did cut the stems, and I did use a little foam ball to attach it and some moss in the center. And here I have another pot with some moss, a moss ball, and the wood beads that I put under there, which I did do a video on that as well. Here's my favorite part of the mantle. These terracotta pots that I placed on a candle holder are absolutely gorgeous. I just placed a terracotta pot, a napkin ring from Hobby Lobby in the spring. I got that one in the spring section, and a short candle holder, and it just ties up so well. I was just trying it out, and it turned out great. So that is it. That is pretty much what I've done with my mantle. My shelves are okay, but they're not as pretty as my the top of the mantle, so I guess I'll share that with you later. But I wanted to thank you guys for watching, and until next time.